Hi guys, I have a couple hauls to share with you guys. So the first one is from Scrapbook.com. So the first thing I picked up was the white tabbed dividers, and I picked up 3 packs. I'm hoping that these will help me with my divided sections in my dies. And if they do, then I might get them for my stamps too, depending on whether or not they fit my basket. And I'm really crooked, I'm sorry. Not much I can do about it today. I can't see straight, let alone straighten that out. Oh yeah, that is so bad. I'm hoping that's better. I'm sorry guys. So the next thing I got was the Pink and Main flocking. I like flocking. It can be a pain in the butt, but I do like it. And I did have some projects that I wanted to do for Christmas. Not gonna happen. So there's next year. So I got the Cottontail, which is white. I got the Grandpa's Slippers, which is black. And then I got the Santa's Hat, which is red. Okay, you see that? And then the last thing I got was the Scrapbook.com Gingerbread ink. And I wanted to try this color to see if it is really a gingerbread color. I'm curious. So we are going to find out, and I will tell you my thoughts on it. So that is my Scrapbook.com order, and I will be right back with my Simon Says stamps, which is very short. Alright guys, here is my Simon Says stamps order. The only reason that I placed the order is because when Tim Holtz did this release with the moon and the oh my gosh, I can't even talk. The Santa stencil and whatnot. And I got it, but I told a friend of mine, hey Misty, that I really wish he would release a miniature die. And guess what? He did. I was so happy. And so Misty, being my enabler, she sent me a message right away. She said, you got to place an order and you get the die for free. I'm like, I'm on it. And so I wanted this die because I think it's perfect for a card. So I had to get that. And then I also wanted the icicles. I've been looking for these and could not find them. So I did get those. Sorry for the glare. I have a project in mind for those. I also bought the Distress Crackle Paste in Icicle. And I can't see what the other one says it is. I don't know. And then I also picked up this Hero Arts Cling Stamp. This was one that Joanne's carried and I couldn't get it. And just to see what it's called. Oh my god, I can't read that. That is winky, winky, teeny. I need a magnifying glass for that, my god. Winter Village Peekaboo Clean. That is so stinking tiny, you guys. Look how tiny that is. Sorry for the glare. Look, that is, oh my gosh. I don't even have my work glasses on, so I got that too because I do think it's cute. That'll make a sweet card, just one panel. Okay, and that's the the Simon Says stamps haul. And then I have one more, and I'll be right back. I almost forgot that I have some wood rubber stamps that I got on eBay. And I want to share those with you guys. This is my first buttermilk basin stamp. Miss Marilyn and Miss Anna have been buying them all and outbidding me because Stacy West, who is Buttermilk Basin, is my favorite designer. She has been, well, she's my favorite stitchery designer. She has been my absolute favorite stitchery designer for more than 20 years. I love her work. I have many of her kits. I have lots of her wool. I have tons of her patterns that I haven't done and some that I have. But I wanted some of her stamps because I didn't know that she made stamps even. If you guys hear something in the background, that's my little heater going because I don't really have heat in this room. So I have a little space heater. But anyway, So I finally got one. I haven't inked it yet because I've been kind of scared too. But I did get it, and I'm very excited, and I hope that it stamps really well. And then I picked up this little lot. So this is from Stampin' Up. So it came with a little star. It came with a little snowflake circle. Okay. It came with a few others too, but I can't show those because they're gifts. Came with this one. And it came with this one. So I'm so excited to have those. And then I found 2 stamps on Etsy. And they are adorable, you guys. So I found this guy. He cracks me up. It says that it's Abracadabra stampmakers.com. So I don't know if it's their original work, but it's a brand new stamp, and I absolutely love it. And you know what, guys? He reminds me of Wile E. Coyote. Doesn't you? Because look at his nose. That's why I fell in love with him. And wait till you guys see the other one. Oh my god. It's like Rudolph and Wile E. Coyote had a kid. I mean, his ears are down just like Wile E. Coyote. Oh, it just cracks me up. But I love this one because you could put a sentiment in the center of it. Isn't that adorable? It cracks me up so bad. I just love this image. And as soon as I saw it, I had to have it. So there's my wood stamps. Now let's go on to Tailored Expressions. Now, Tailored Expressions and I have a close personal money exchange relationship. They get me a lot, let's just say that. I really love Tailored Expressions. Their paper, their stencils, their stamps, and now their ink. You guys, they're my favorite ink. They're my favorite colored ink. Next to IOD. I'm telling you, their ink is fabulous. I love their colors. And I have a haul from IOD too. Anna, it's all your fault. I'm just saying. So let's start with the paper. So I got these. These are A2 layer panels and toffee. This is not what I wanted. I wanted their, what is it called? Create in quads paper, which is pre-cut to 10.5 by 8.5, I think. It's just a little bit smaller because it goes with a 4-step stencil. I'll show you guys that in a minute. So I went ahead and got the panels because this is the only paper and toffee that they had, and I wanted this color. It is not the same color as Desert Storm, although it looks similar. It's pretty close to PTI Craft, but still not there. It's a unique color, and I really, really love it. And then I got the stamp set. This is called, does it say? Modern Holiday. And it's got some great sentiments. I like the shape of them. They're very simple. And I like the font. So, and it's just, you know, it's just really, sorry I was out of frame. It's just really good, simple set. And I love the Love, Joy, Come to You. That's my favorite. And all is merry and bright. Wishing you peace and joy. Happy holidays and a joyful new year. From our family to yours. Joy to the world. Meet me under the mistletoe. So, all good stuff, right? And then I got a stencil. This stencil is a 6x6, and it's called Poinsettia and Pine. It's really, really beautiful. I love the accent cut on the stencil. I think that'll be absolutely beautiful. Sorry, I need to pay attention to the camera there. We have a glare. I'm too busy explaining. And then I got this. This is a Swirls, Pierce, and Cut plate. And this is what it looks like. And so it's one of their cut and pierce plates. And it's beautiful. I think that would be really cute for a snowman. You guys see that? Sorry for the glare. This is what it looks like on the packaging. Oh, God, that light. Sorry, guys. There you go. And then I also got these. So I got the teeny. I love these dies. They're a really good price point, and they are tiny. Can you guys see that? How tiny those are? But I love these because they come in like, well, let me show you some of my set. I have quite a few of them. Okay. Here. Let me show you guys. So, like, here's my Christmas ones. I have the candy cane, which is a double layer and a bow. I have the snowflakes, which are all different shapes. I have Santa's hat, the little car and the tree and the wheels. I have skates. This is a stamp doctor. That doesn't count. But here's the little car cutout. See? So these are great dies to have, these little ones. They're perfect for little 4x4 cards or just an accent on a card. So I got these. These are the leaves. And that's what they look like. And that is the size. Okay? And then I also got the Pick of the Patch pumpkins. And they look like that. Okay. Oop, throwing crap around. I also got the Layer It pumpkins, which those dies go with this. Okay. And they're super cute. So you get the layers to go over the pumpkins. And I love the dimension in those. You can get a lot of dimension with these, I think. And then I also got this. These are fun. This is a Pick of the Patch background stamp. And so what it has is, it has the pumpkins, and then it also has optional faces and stems. These are so much fun, you guys. So this is going to be fun for fall. And I think I'm going to do this up for my grandson. And then I also got, this is the stencil that this is the whole reason why I went to Taylor Expressions in the first place. I saw their YouTube video, and it sent me over there to get this. This is a mistletoe stencil. I think that's what it's called. Yes, mistletoe. And you can see on the back what it does. It makes 4 different panels at once. So you get 4 cards at once. Just by layering the stencils on top of each other on the paper. So you have 4 different panels made for your cards. You can mass produce cards in no time flat, which is why I bought this stencil. And the one that they did in craft paper was the toffee paper, was absolutely gorgeous. It was white and green on the toffee. Oh, it was so pretty. This one's pretty too, the traditional red and green. And I will probably do some of those. But I think that I really want to do the toffee because most of my family throws my cards away. So nobody keeps them. My daughter-in-law and my grandson keeps their cards. Oh, poop. I ain't got no battery. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. The battery died. Don't know how long these videos are going to last because I'm getting loopy. I've taken a lot of meds today, so yeah, getting a little lightheaded. Okay, I got the chocolate truffle. So these inks go with the Create and Quads layering stencil. These are the colors that they used. So I wanted to get them. So I got the chocolate truffle. I got the sea salt. I got the toffee, the avocado, and I got 2 minis, the sweet basil and the olive. And I put those away already, but they didn't have them on the full size, so I got the minis to go with those colors. And they sent a freebie. They always do. And this one is, this little stamp is super cute. Let's see here. No, that's not going to work. Let's see if we can find something white. I guess that'll work. So that's what it looks like. Season's greetings, and it's just a pretty little snowflake. So that is cute. I'll put that in my collection of freebies. I like it better when they send the dies, but they haven't sent dies in a while. So, but that's okay. You know, stamps are nice too. And if I get multiples, then I give them away, because that's just how I work. And I have one question for you guys. You'll have to forgive my band-aids. My fingers are sore. I'm been having, since I got out of the hospital, I was, before I went in the hospital, borderline diabetic. And one of the reasons why I went to the hospital is because with the steroids, it caused my blood sugar to raise so high, it was up to 400. And so I've been testing myself 4 to 5 times a day, and my fingers are all very, very sore, and so is my stomach, because I've been having to inject myself with insulin. I spoke to the doctor yesterday. He doesn't think I need the insulin anymore, thank God. But I still need medication. So, I lost so much weight. I thought that I would kick this in the butt, but the steroids really, really messed me up. But that's the only way to cure that type of sinus infection, ear infection, and bronchitis. So when I get sick, I get a triple whammy usually, so unfortunately. But that's it, you guys. So if you have any diabetic-friendly recipes, because I'm really struggling with food. There's so many things that I can't eat, and there's some things that I won't eat, like tofu. If you guys have any good recipes that you can shoot my way, I would appreciate it. And just contact me through IG. It's under Whimsical Endeavors. And that would be great. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a great week and weekend, and make lots of happy memories. And I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.